I'm with two gentlemen who represent Wacker Neuson. I'd like to introduce you to Cem Pexaglan.
That's true.
Did I get that
correct.
Anywhere near close?
Yeah, it's Cem Pexaglan.
Okay. Who is the global CEO, and Christian Bernard, who is U.S. President CEO. We've met before.
Thank you.
How are you?
Very fine, thank you.
Tell us a bit about the global reach of Wacker Neuson. I mean, this is truly a global company.
Yes, it is. We are a 1.2 billion euro company, global sales. We have more than 4,000 associates, 4,150 to be more concrete. We are globally set up. Our main markets are Europe, where we do more or less 70% of our revenues, group revenues, and the Americas, which is accountable for more than 26% of our revenues. We do have a very long legacy, more than 166 years, family business. We are listed, Prime Index. We are so at the stock exchange, and we are very proud to be here in the US since many decades, since the end of the 50s, and we do have here, for example, in North America and the US, 2 factories in Wisconsin and Michigan.
Is there a big difference in mature markets from the Americas as opposed to the rest of the world?
As a matter of fact, I would say every market has some peculiarities, specialities, and so does, of course, the North American market also have. The processes, the work is done on the construction side are different somehow compared to other mature markets. To answer your question, if you think, for example, in flat work concrete, that's totally different as it is handled, for example, in Europe. Or if you look into other businesses like material handling in the US, the biggest skid steer loader market per se, and then if you look in Europe, skid steers are a little market segment where wheel loaders are mainly used. So there are differences, and that's exactly why we also believe that being in the region, working the region also with plants is extremely important for the success of every company, I would say.
Absolutely. Chris, let's talk a little bit about what the company's brought to CONEXPO 2014 and your lineup at your exhibit outside.
Well, we've got a very broad product line. I mean, the star of the show for us is the introduction of our skid steer line. It's the debut of a very important product line, which really rounds out the whole product line for us. It puts us in a very unique position in the industry in terms of having the breadth of the line among the light equipment, the historical Wacker and the Neuson. So this really completes it. And we're introducing almost 30 new products at this CONEXPO, which is really remarkable, and we do that year after year. So we're really being established as a very unique product line with a very high technology, very aggressive introductions of new products, focusing on having a distribution viable product line that will take us and support us throughout the nation. And we're very pleased and very successful with that.
I have to ask both of you gentlemen just kind of a broad question. What do you see the technology going forward and its effect on this particular industry for your products?
Well, in terms of overall technology, at the end of the day, I mean, when you look at what's actually happening on the job site, the growth in technology has been real. But it's really the integration, it's really the electronics, it's a communication, it's all of the way of linking different processes, be it distribution with supply, with the manufacturer, with the dealer, with the contractor. That's where the game is going to be played exponentially in the next years. From our perspective, and we're right in the middle of that, ready for that in all sorts of ways.
Well, I want to thank both of you for stopping by. I know you've got a very busy schedule.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for the invitation.
Appreciate it.
It's great to talk to the folks from Wacker Neuson because you've got a big project and a big role here at the show. So
we look forward
thanks a lot.
to participating.
Appreciate you being here.
Thank you very much.
Both the gentlemen from Wacker Neuson.